In today's fast-paced and hectic world, it's all too easy to forget about our spiritual well-being. But here's the thing, caring for our inner selves is just as crucial as caring for our physical and mental health. Have you ever felt a void, a sense of something missing, despite ticking off all the boxes of success? Have you ever yearned for a deeper connection with yourself, a greater sense of fulfillment, and ultimate peace? If so, you're not alone. But fear not, for this journey of self-discovery starts right here, right now. This video is here to show you the way, to provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to rediscover your authentic self and embark on a path of inner growth. Whether you're new to the concept of spiritual self-care or seeking to deepen your practice, this guide offers powerful practices designed to nourish your spirit. From meditation and journaling to mind, body exercises, and sacred rituals, you'll explore an extraordinary world of self-care that goes beyond the surface. Okay, let's begin. Spiritual self-care is an essential aspect of overall well-being and fulfillment. It is important to note that spiritual self-care does not have to be religious or faith-based, although it can be if that resonates with you. It is simply an activity that refills your cup and helps you feel connected to a sense of purpose or something greater. In today's society, where physical and mental health often take precedence, spiritual self-care can be easily overlooked or dismissed. However, it plays a crucial role in helping you feel connected, part of something, and purposeful. It nourishes your soul and rejuvenates your spirit. There are various ways to practice spiritual self-care, depending on what resonates with you. For some, it may involve following religious rituals, going to church or other religious services, and reading sacred texts. For others, spirituality may be found in nature, in connections with others, or deep within oneself. It may be expressed through art, music, or dance. Ultimately, spirituality is anything that feels deeply meaningful to you and brings a sense of sacredness, even if it is personal and unique to you. Engaging in spiritual self-care is a personal and individual journey. It can lead to a sense of connection, purpose, and joy. By connecting with your true self, the genuine expression of who you are meant to be in this world, you can experience numerous benefits: improved mental and physical well-being, a sense of belonging, and a feeling of fulfillment are just a few of the positive outcomes of practicing spiritual self-care. Friends, in today's society, where loneliness is a prevalent issue, spiritual self-care can provide a sense of connection and fulfillment. It is important to take the time to understand and acknowledge your feelings in order to navigate life effectively. Engaging in spiritual self-care activities can help you connect with this aspect of yourself, bringing about a greater sense of peace and happiness. Some examples of spiritual self-care activities include yoga, meditation, mindful walking, clearing space, connecting with community, joining a religious institution, reading religious books, deep breathing, mindfulness practices, contemplation, spending time in nature, and non-judgment. These activities can help you cleanse your mind, body, and soul, and create a sense of inner peace and harmony. We need to understand that self-care is not just a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In the previous segment, we explored powerful practices for nurturing the spirit, such as meditation, journaling, and reading. Now, let's dive deeper into these practices and discover how they can contribute to your spiritual self-care journey. Mindful meditation and breathing techniques are powerful tools for nurturing your spiritual well-being. By engaging in mindful meditation, you can take a pause, clear your thoughts, and become present in the moment. Focusing on your breath brings awareness to your body and helps you let go of stress, This practice promotes mental clarity, reduces anxiety, and cultivates a sense of inner peace. Journaling is another powerful method for exploring the depths of your mind and heart. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can sort through them and gain a better understanding of yourself. Our minds often get crowded with problems, worries, and negative emotions, which can weigh down our spirits. Journaling allows you to clear out this clutter and see things from a new perspective. Through self-reflection, you might discover insights you hadn't realized before and come to a deeper understanding of your emotions, thoughts, and experiences. Reading inspiring books can also be a valuable practice for nurturing your spirit. In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by a stream of information, not all of which is uplifting. Taking the time to read books that inspire and uplift you can provide a positive escape from this constant bombardment. Whether it's religious texts, spiritual teachings, or books that explore the depths of human experience, reading can offer solace, wisdom, and a renewed sense of purpose. Walking meditation is another practice that has been used for centuries to connect with nature and cultivate mindfulness. It involves walking in a slow and intentional manner while focusing on the present moment. This practice has numerous benefits, from improving physical health to reducing stress and anxiety. One of the key advantages of walking meditation is its impact on physical health. It is an excellent form of exercise that can improve cardiovascular fitness, strengthen muscles and bones, and decrease the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. What makes walking meditation particularly accessible is that it is a low-impact exercise, which is easy on the joints. This makes it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Additionally, walking meditation can be done anywhere, making it a convenient way to stay active and connected to nature. Furthermore, walking meditation can be a shared activity, allowing individuals to connect with others and experience the benefits together. Connecting with a community is crucial for well-being, as humans are social creatures by nature. Walking meditation can be a way to bond with others, share laughter, exchange ideas, and provide emotional support. Dear viewers, in today's super-connected world, it can be difficult to maintain a healthy relationship with technology. Constantly being on and plugged in can lead to stress, loneliness, and physical ailments. That's why taking the time to unplug and reconnect with yourself and the activities happening around you is so important. One of the benefits of unplugging from technology is reduced stress. Your brain and body need time to recover from the demands of work and being constantly connected. By giving yourself a break from technology, you can allow your mind to relax and recharge, leading to decreased stress levels. Setting boundaries with technology is another important aspect of unplugging. Implementing digital detoxes or designated phone-free times can help increase mindfulness and presence in your daily activities. Practicing forgiveness is also essential for emotional and spiritual health. Holding onto grudges and negative feelings can drain your emotional energy and prevent personal growth. Forgiving others is not just about them. It's also about freeing yourself from negativity. It's important to remember that forgiveness is a process and may require reflection, seeking guidance, and giving yourself time and space to heal. As we come to the end of our today's discussions on rejuvenating your spirit, a guide to spiritual self-care, we hope that you have found inspiration and practical tools to incorporate spiritual self-care into your daily life. Remember, taking care of your spiritual well-being is a lifelong journey that requires patience, dedication, and self-compassion. By nurturing your spirit through practices such as meditation, journaling, mindful walking, and connecting with nature, you can experience a deep sense of peace, purpose, and connection. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, You will be notified whenever we release new videos, guiding you on your path towards spiritual well-being. Until next time, may you find joy, peace, and fulfillment as you nurture and rejuvenate your spirit.